Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. On my right hand is the news of products, countertop stylings, the fryers. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the units, length about like a 22.5 inches wide. And depth about like a 17 inches. And the overall height is about like a 11.5 inches tall. So as we can see, the units, they come in with the two individual controllers from the machine. That's why the manufacturer give you the two individual plugs. They both using the 110 plugs. And at the behind of the units, they do have a sticker informations to show you the machine running, the voltage, and the connect informations. Also, we can see they do have the individual the switchers and the temperature informations, indicator lights and the power lights. They're on the machine top. And for the inner side, we can take a look closer to see the dimensions. So when we open this top lid, we have two individual sections to cooking the fryers, cooking space, and also the baskets. It is exactly the same sizes and the cooking space is the same. So I should take a measure of one of those. For the basket, about like a 7 inches wide and 8 inches long and 4 inches deep. For this burning oil pans, about like a 9.5 inches wide and almost about like a 12 inches long, and the depth about like a 5.5 inches deep. This will be the all demonstration information about the products, and if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.